Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Cosori brand dual blaze air fryer and on the display it's giving you an E4 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. Especially because if you're getting this E4, your air fryer is probably not going to be working. So this is actually a real simple fix. So basically, you'll get this E4 error if the air fryer gets the wrong electricity. Specifically, this air fryer is supposed to be plugged into a 110, 120 volt outlet, and if you plug it into a 220, 240, what will happen is it can't safely operate at that voltage, so it won't operate at all. It will just give you this E4 error. So all you need to do to get rid of this error is to make sure that you plug it in to a proper 110, 120 volt plug, and then it should start working perfectly fine after that. So that's all there is to it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.